Hey guys, Paul from Dosmoto Garage back here with Bob. This is officially part 2. So this is the fun part. So we get to pull everything off the bike, throw all the bolts in the container, and then stress out trying to work out where the bolts go. But look, in all reality, I've done these bikes for so many years, bit of a guru, so I know where every single bolt goes. I don't need to know. If you're not sure, grab one of these little kits or container kits. Makes the job heaps easier. So I got me coffee, raring to go. From here forth, I will do a time-lapse thing and see if I can work out some montage music or something, so it feels like you're part of the process and in there undoing the bolts and that sort of stuff, so you're not bored if all the bolts don't get undone. Enjoy, and please like and subscribe, share, go for it, get cracking. Alright, here we go. Bob's all cleaned, ready to go, ready to start putting some shiny bits. So it's come up good. A bit more work on the swing arm to get it all pretty, and not worry about these wheels, because these wheels will get swapped out. Got to get some wheels to the blaster and powder coat to get all that sorted. So yeah, it actually come up pretty good. So we can start doing valve clearances and change engine covers. And we got our first shiny bit coming this afternoon. Keogh himself dropped this off. He was in town, so this Keogh Watson, that's his number there. If you ever want suspension for these MC22s, it's your bang for your buck, mate. Unreal. So, mate, highly recommend his stuff. It's amazing. All right, too easy.